Oh my goodness, you got all kinds of dinosaurs. Wow. Dinosaurs. That's a Triceratops. That's a Triceratops. Who is this one? What do they all say? Rawr. Is that your baby? Bear? Bird. Oh, be careful with him. Be careful. Here, Mommy, I'll turn him on for you. Hold on. There you go. Talk to the bird. Aw, you got all kinds of little dinosaurs. Be careful with it.